Welcome to Inspiring Inputs. I hope these quotes about positivity will help you get through anything. Stay inspired, stay blessed, stay with inspiring inputs. There is nothing impossible to him who will try. Alexander the Great. Fortune and love favor the brave. You will never do anything in this world without courage. It is the greatest quality of the mind next to honor. Luck is what happens when preparation meets opportunity. A good decision is based on knowledge and not numbers. Better a little which is well done than a great deal imperfectly. Pleasure in the job puts perfection in the work. Make haste slowly. The beginning is the most important part of the work. Apply yourself both now and in the next life. Without effort, you cannot be prosperous. Though the land be good, you cannot have an abundant crop without cultivation. Better to be wise by the misfortunes of others than by your own. To know what people really think, pay regard to what they do rather than what they say. The more sand had escaped from the hourglass of our life, the clearer we should see through it. Although you may spend your life killing, you will not exhaust all your foes. But if you quell your own anger, your real enemy will be slain. Nagarjuna. He who conquers himself is the mightiest warrior. For a man to conquer himself is the first and noblest of all victories. Do not spoil what you have by desiring what you have not. Remember that what you now have was once among the things you only hoped for. Wise men learn more from fools than fools from the wise. Dignity does not consist in possessing honors, but in deserving them. The life of money making is one undertaken under compulsion, and wealth is evidently not the good we are seeking, for it is merely useful and for the sake of something else. Hope you like the content. Please share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Your comments and suggestions are welcome. Have a great day ahead. Good luck to you.